with DJ Designs, and today I have an order. I'm going to be filling an order. I got a customer that wanted 10 ornaments and she wanted different color backgrounds. This is the one she selected, so I'm going to do it in red, rose gold, and blue. And I'll also be making other ornaments, and I do have these files on my website. Also, this one too I designed. It has a cardinal, and there's a meaning for this cardinal I found out just recently. And this is another one I had gotten this on design on Creative Fabrica. Okay, all right, well, stay tuned and I will get started. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. Love that I don't have to do this. Awesome. Okay. Nice. Looking good. Okay. Nice. This is 3mm Cherrywood, if I didn't tell you before. But look at that, cuts beautifully. And I did put the 3M double-sided adhesive on the back so I didn't have to glue. I tried this without the adhesive, and it's just a big mess. And it leaves excessive glue on the, it's very hard to get off. It leaves excessive glue on the wood and the acrylic, and it's just a big giant mess. Okay, all right, so let me just get the rest of this off. And looks like I should have pressed my 3M tape a little harder, but that's okay, it's still gonna stick. But next time I'll press it a little harder, because it looks like it's coming up in some of the areas. But no problem. Okay, all right, so all we do is just get as even as possible, because you really only get one shot at this. Look at that. Love it. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of this on and then we'll do the beading. Alrighty. Wow. Cuts beautifully. Okay, I'm showing you one of the designs that I'm doing on the rose gold. I was able to use metallic rose gold paint, and this is by Folk Art. It's treasure gold, but it's rose gold color. And all I did was put it on a skewer stick and just painted it, and I sprayed 2 coats of the clear 2X to seal it. Probably isn't necessary, but I just wanted to do that. Okay, so on this one I'm going to put the bow on first, and I just used some hot glue to get the bow on like that. And I just used the coordinating color. I guess you can see that. I don't know how the lighting is. And I'm using a piece of wire. It helps me get these beads on a little quicker. Excuse me. So I'm going to use a natural, then I'm going to use, this one I think I'll use the gold tone. I did also paint this with the treasure gold, gold color. So of course I couldn't find these beads in Hobby Lobby or anywhere. So I just used the natural unfinished beads, and you don't really have to treat them or anything, just paint right over them. I think I did 2 coats, and then I did 2 coats of the sealer. Okay, and I'll just do one more. I'm doing one at a time because I'm not sure if it's going to be too thick. So I'll just go back in and do the other side. And the other side of this one. And this one. It's really quick once you glue the two pieces together and loop that twine in. It does go pretty quick. And I'll do one from the beginning with the twine. This is one I had already finished. I just needed to put the beading on. So, and this design will be available on my website, and I'll put a link to find it. It's one I had designed because I was getting requests for this nativity design, and I really like the way that came out. Okay. All right, and I'll do one from the beginning, and this is a 20-inch piece of twine. And all I'm doing is putting it through the loop. And I think I did some of these demonstrations on the first ornament tutorial that I did. Okay. And I think I'll use the natural, it's like a burlap fabric. I did get this on Amazon. I was so glad to find it because it's very stiff and very light. And it's perfect, and it had like 5 or 6 different colors and designs, which was perfect for making these ornaments. So, I mean, the best way to do it is just to fold it in half, get that center, line up the center with this guide. And these are Gator-Bite guides that I got some years back. They don't sell them anymore, but this is something that you can easily make with your laser cutter and acrylic. Okay, and once again, this Gator-Bite is non-existent, but I still like to use it. I did get this some years ago, and I did some research, and apparently the inventor or the maker is not manufacturing anymore. So sorry guys, but I still like to use this. You don't really need it. You can probably use a large hair clip, and get the same results. And see how perfect that bow came out? I like that. Make this match the other side. And all I'm gonna do is put a dot of glue gun on the back and attach this on top. Hold it down a little bit and do the same thing. I'm going to try it with 2 at a time and see how that works. I'm using a natural bead. And it did pretty good. And I'm also using one of the painted rose gold color to pick up the rose gold in the mirrored acrylic. And another natural bead, and that's all you need to do. You don't want to overdo it, and you probably don't even need 3 beads, but I like to do it because I want to make sure all the colors are matched. And just tie a knot to hold them straight, tie a knot on top, leave about maybe a ½ an inch, and then you want to even up that, and there you have it. Look at that. Okay, all right, I'm going to do these other ones, and then I'll show you a couple more I do, and stay tuned, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and I think you get the gist of it. I did use my red buffalo plaid I got on Amazon, and I'll put a link because this is perfect ribbon to make these ornaments. It's nice and stiff, it's the perfect width, and the color choices are amazing. Okay, all right, And now I'm going to take my 20-inch length twine. If you cut it 20 inches, it'll actually be perfect. You shouldn't have to trim it. It's the perfect length. Okay, and loop first, pull it tight, and I'm going to use my wire thingy that I made, and it just does help to go a little quicker to get through the holes, although they are big, but this makes it easier. Sometimes you have to use your pliers. And I did find these buffalo plaid beads. I was so excited when I found it. I said, ooh, that'll match my ribbon. So I think it gives a nice accent. And one more. Okay. And make sure that loop is above the hole there. And what I like to do is just tie a knot. You can do a double knot or a single knot. And just to keep the beads in place, okay? And then I do a tie at the end and leave about, oh, I'd say about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch is good. And you have the perfect ornament. Look at that. All right, this will conclude my tutorial on my Christmas ornaments. I am working on some more if you're interested, but these are some of the ones that I did. And like I said, this one I designed and it is on my website, and I will put a link in the description. And I'm gonna finish up my order. This is a nice one that I had done as well. And this is one of the favorites. I did a craft show, and this was in my community, so it was very easy for someone to pick it up or for me to deliver. It's custom. And this is my bestseller on my Xtool design site. I really like this. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.